Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the stand on your Viewedge monitor. Specifically, this is the model CS27FK. If you're interested in this monitor or you want to find out more about it, the link to this monitor will be in the video description. Here's a look at the stand right here. We have two pieces that we need to press in place. Then I'm going to add it to the monitor itself. We're going to slide it in the back right here. So line it up, slide it in. They even have a push button to eject if you ever want to remove this. We also have a VESA mount option if you ever want to get your own stand to use for increased functionality, maybe desk mounting, wall mounting, things along those lines. Anyways, let's go ahead, let's get this set up. First things first, this is going to be the back side, so it's going to look like this when it's all set up and ready to go. We have these two rectangles right there that are going to line up with two little rectangular tabs on this unit that you won't be able to see. So it'll be just like so, and then we'll just gently press in place, and it snapped right in. Now we have the stand assembled. Let's get it added to the monitor. So for this part, you have a couple tabs up at the top that we're going to use to lock and slide this in place. There's also two plastic tabs at the bottom right here. So it's not going to go straight in like this. These lips, this L right here, is going to actually be in the way. So you actually want to start it after the black plastic tabs there. And then you're going to slide it in. So these go after the tabs there. And then this bottom piece is what actually slides up and in. So I'll try to show you that here. This starts like this basically, and then you can pull it down and then gently press in place. And I heard that click. So we know we now have everything all set up and ready to go. Our stand is installed. Take a look there. The monitor's set up successfully. With the included stand, we basically only have tilt functionality, so we can tilt it backwards or forward. Max tilt down, max tilt back. There's no swivel, rotation, or anything else. There's no height adjustment. It's very basic and straightforward.